Liquid nitrogen is a very cold liquid that can rapidly freeze objects that come into contact with the liquid. Liquid nitrogen is made by taking the gas nitrogen, the most common gas in the air, and putting it under pressure until the gas becomes a liquid. Water freezes to ice at 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. In contrast, liquid nitrogen has a temperature of negative 178 degrees Celsius. A ping pong ball will freeze, becoming heavier and lose its ability to bounce. The added hole will fill the ping pong up with liquid nitrogen. When the ping pong ball is removed from the liquid nitrogen inside the ping pong ball is converted to pressurized nitrogen gas, causing the ping pong ball to rotate. Due to the material of the ball being semi-elastic, potential energy is converted to kinetic energy. When the ball is submerged inside the liquid nitrogen, the elastic-like material becomes more solid, making it difficult to transfer energy, shown by the lack of balance in the activity video. In the balloon, there is an isolated amount of air. By low temperatures, the pressure of the gas inside the balloon tends to decrease. The atmospheric pressure, however, forces the balloon to a smaller volume until the pressure inside and outside the balloons are equal. At these temperatures, air can be compressed more because it contains components that can be liquefied or frozen. When heated up, the pressure in the balloon rises and the balloon expands to its original shape. When a frozen Centennial Oreo is dropped inside the liquid nitrogen, it becomes as cold as the liquid nitrogen. Once the frozen cracker or cookie or marshmallow is warmed up and placed in your mouth and you breathe out, the water vapor inside your mouth is being cold, and it makes water visible as a cloud. As the air cannot hold as much water vapor when it is cold, vapor turns into small water droplets, showing up as fog. The ball is bouncy, but when placed inside a very cold liquid called liquid nitrogen, the ball freezes and loses its potential to bounce. When you place an inflated balloon into a liquid nitrogen, the air inside the balloon gets very cold and cannot move as fast. The air inside the balloon comes together, kind of like when you would be cold and you surround yourself by your friends, and the balloon shrinks. When you freeze a saltine cracker, Oreo, or marshmallow and place it in your mouth and breathe out, the coldness of the cracker or the cookie freezes your breath and makes it visible. It is like the fog you see early in the morning when it's cold outside. Liquid nitrogen is colder than the coldest day on our planet.